Hi, this is Edmund Martelli, and I'd like to explain a little something to you. If you ever get a Gy6 and sounds like it's got an exhaust leak, and it's all emission control, one of these 4-cycle 150cc Gy6, and it's got the emission control, there's a port that comes off the exhaust valve on the left side of the valve cover. What'll happen is you're going to think you've got some type of an exhaust leak, but in reality, I don't know why, it's a bad design. They should have put more metal. They use this silicone hose. And what I want you to notice is it'll blow a hole through there. Fortunately, I live in Kentucky, so there's no emission controls. Nobody's going to put a sniffer up there to check for carbon monoxide and nitrous oxides. So I just made me a little block off plate. But at first I thought that I had a cracked head, I had a bad exhaust valve, the bolts come loose. I wasn't too sure, but there must be a lot of pressure that goes through that emission tube. And what happens is if it's going to burst, I've tried other options. Your best bet is to block it off. If you can get around emissions. But other than that, they need to make more metal. That way that pressure, because this actually pushes air in to your exhaust to help to burn off any nitrous oxides, carbon monoxide, unspent fuel. So this is Edmund Martelli. I'm going to post this for you people that run into a little exhaust problem with your Gy6, and you might think it's the intermittent pipe for the muffler. You might think you've got a cracked head. You might think you got a blown exhaust valve or a bad spring. Chances are, and it took me a while, check this emission hose. Check that hose.